Okay, looking at the scenario now, it seems like the opportunity for the youth is more is considered like better because they have go to the NFA, and then from the NFA they select from not all the selected coaches see the youth and can easily what was it called
Promote.
so
Get.
can easily catch their eyes to see the what is the youth can do better because if they are under one training. But if you are compared to last time is individual coaches who went all around
Scouts.
scouting all around Singapore, and then have to do what's call it its own appraisal to judge the kid whether the kid is better or not. It's only one opinion. But compared with now, again, I think now is better. They if NFA group, and then they will take other opinion about the kid whether they can go further or not. So I think there is, if you want to really compare, there is not much different. Only the style of the what so-called what is finding the right youth to represent the national team. And
But what about the style that you talk about? Like last time we have all this the Milo scheme, okay, that give the kids to train and then groom them. But now players, especially young kids, they get into youth national youth setup, and then they don't see a point that you must train hard because we are already in this national system, national setup. So what do you think? Do you really think it's better in terms for the kid or better in terms for the football as a whole?
I think as for the Singapore football, I think it's the best, the shortcut, see, to get all the boy go to the NFL center. Then from there is a lot of coaches look at the particular kid, and they can assess whether the what is this particular kid can do better for the future. But if last time it's only one guy, even though it's good, one guy then straight away can go to the national team. But the opportunity for the what they call it the youth to develop, I think is less because it's only one person, only a particular person that is selected by their own coach or maybe the national squad, national youth scout to see them. But if you send it to I mean, we've been proposing. I mean, the NFA is proposing you to come to the NFA, meaning most of people who go to NFA supposed to be a good.
So what about the other ones that don't actually reach to the NFA? Then do you think it
No.
kill their hopes? Do you think this NFA system is,
I don't
if you compare it to
believe on
last
that,
time?
but the problem is that only select. Okay, where see all the coach will be eyeing at everybody. Then if they've been selected, they will offer to go to NFA, meaning they are good already. So it's much better rather than you go out roaming around and then see every club and most of the time the club don't have this type of youth development, you see. So I think the best is the selected coach select the selected youth to go to the NFA to train them, then they groom the youth for the national team or so on, you see.
So that's the current system is better lah, you think?
The
than
current system is better.
the older
Even
system.
though it's older side is more touching lah. I mean, heart to heart.
The results is more lah.
But if they go to NFA, they are better because they are grouped together. See? Then if all the coaches say this fella is good, meaning this fella is really good. If If old one, you have to depend on one coach who's go scouting. Then it's only one opinion.
Okay.